3 most important apps for trading in 2026. Number 1, MetaTrader 5. Number 2, Tradingview. Number 3, Bybit. Get good trade signals on Telegram, link in bio. Go to Earn Crypto's YouTube profile and click on More. Select the recommended Forex broker and open your trading account. Select the recommended crypto exchange and open your trading account. Get trade signals and step-by-step guide when you join the Telegram channel. See you inside. Log into your new Forex broker account and click on Open Live Account. Click Select and tap Dynamic Leverage, then click Continue. Copy your account, login number, and password to login on MetaTrader 5. Congratulations! Open your MT5 app. Click on Accept. Then click on New Account. Type your Forex broker server name. Tap to select. Copy your account number and password. Enter your account number and password on MT5, then sign in. Log into your Forex broker account and click on Open Demo Account. Select Demo MT5. Choose your preferred initial balance amount. Click Continue. Copy your login details for signing into MetaTrader 5. On MT5, click on New Account. Search your Forex broker server name. Select and enter your login details. Congratulations! Open your Forex broker account and click on Deposit Funds. Select the wallet you want to deposit into and select your preferred payment method. Click on Continue. Select Visa for debit card method. Enter your payment details and the amount you want to deposit. For crypto payment method, select Crypto and enter the amount. Select your preferred crypto you want to deposit with. Copy the amount and deposit address. Transfer the specified amount to the deposit address, and congratulations! This is where you see your account balance and trades. Chart is where you see the up and down move of price. Quotes is where you select a pair and trade it. If your preferred pair is not on the quotes, click on the search bar, type and select it. Tap your preferred pair and click on Chart to open in the Chart section. Open the chart of the pair you want to trade. Click on this top right rectangular icon. Tap Buy or Sell button. Read and accept these terms. Tap Buy button to buy immediately on current market price. Click on Trade to see your running trade. Congratulations! Tap on Running Trade Line. Click on SL to set Stop Loss Line. Check and see the amount you will lose if price hit the Stop Loss Line. Click on TP to set Take Profit Line. Check and see the amount you will earn. Tap on Modify Position to save SL and TP. Congratulations! Open the chart of the pair you want to sell at market price. Tap the top right rectangular icon. Click on Sell. Tap the Sell line. Click SL to add the stop loss line. Adjust the SL line to your risk amount. Click TP to add the Take Profit line. Adjust the TP line to your potential profit amount. Click on Modify Position. Congratulations! Open the chart of the pair you want to buy at a lower price. Click on the round icon, top right corner. A line will appear. Adjust the line to your preferred entry point. Click on the SL button to add stop loss. Click on the TP button to add Take Profit line. Click on Buy Limit to proceed. Adjust stop loss and take profit prices if necessary. Click on Place Buy Limit to confirm trade. Congratulations! Open the chart of the pair you want to sell. Click on the round icon, top right corner. Adjust the line that appears to your preferred entry point. Click on SL to add stop loss price. Click on TP to add take profit price. Click on Sell Limit to proceed. Adjust stop loss and take profit prices if necessary. Click on Place Sell Limit to confirm your order. Congratulations!